How to find notification settings on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notification settings on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, click on your profile icon like this, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and now you will see notifications. Click on it, and as you see here, you can manage your notifications as you want. And that's how to find notification settings on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.